Hi foodies, welcome back again. Today I have a very special guest with me. Her name is Jayshree Gadre. Hello auntie.
Hello everybody.
So she is my friend's mom and she makes the best modak and she is going to show us her recipe today. So Maushi, can we start?
Yes.
Okay.
She is going to make the filling for the modaks, which is the best part. Her unique recipe of making this filling starts with fresh grated coconut, jaggery, and sugar mixture. Now remember, use any measure but use the same measure for the jaggery and sugar, 2/3 to 1/3 ratio respectively, which makes up to half a measure of the coconut. Adding whipping cream will bring a rich texture to the filling. Now cook on medium heat until it all comes together. Don't try to rush on this process as it will just burn and the taste will change. Don't walk away while making the filling and continuously stir and keep scraping the sides so it doesn't burn on the bottom. You will see it thicken eventually. This is saffron soaked in warm milk for 30 minutes. Look how beautiful the color of the filling is. Cardamom powder for the lovely aroma. This is a mixture of roasted poppy seed, roasted almonds and roasted cashews. The detailed recipe of how to make this mixture is in the description box below. Check it out. Keep mixing and cooking until it comes together. Perfect. Keep it aside to cool. Using the same measure as the coconut, measure the rice flour and keep it aside. Now she's making the water ready for the rice flour to cook in. Again, the same measure she used for the coconut and rice flour. Her way of adding milk to the water will make the modaks rich in flavor. Bring to a boil and add the ghee. A pinch of salt for taste. Her recipe is really unique and one of the best we have ever seen. Once this is boiled, she will add the rice flour. Poke all over for the water mixture to cook the flour. Cover and allow to cook. Just stir until well incorporated. Now remember, it's very hot, so at first she is mixing with the help of a container and later when it's cool enough, she will knead it well to form a smooth dough. Take a portion and look at how she will shape it into a bowl. Again, the detailed recipe is in the description box below. See how thin she has made the bowl. The edges have to be thinner than the center. Now in goes the filling and you can fill it as much as you like. With the help of the index finger and the thumb, gently pinch off a very little dough to make a pleat on the outer side. With half an inch apart, you can make as many pleats as possible. Lovely, isn't it? Gently bring them together to seal into a nice dome shape with a point on top. Take your time and don't rush. Look at how beautiful this looks, absolutely perfect. Keep it aside under a towel. She's now making modak over a modak. Same process as before, but this time she has taken more dough for the top modak. Make as many pleats as you can and bring them together. This time she is going to shape the same way with one of the modak on top. See how there is extra dough on top? Follow the same process as the earlier modak, this time smaller version and fill it the same way. This is her first place prize-winning recipe and she's graciously sharing it with all of us. Show some love and hit the subscribe button so I can continue sharing such extraordinary recipes with you. And thank you for your support. Again, make the pleats on top modak as earlier and bring them together. Gently seal the top. a true masterpiece. She has kept some water to boil in a steamer with a perforated plate and placed a damp cloth. Dip the bottom of the modaks and place them on the cloth. Cover and allow to cook for 15 to 20 minutes on medium-high flame. Wow, look at these absolutely awesome, perfectly shaped modaks ready to be consumed.
She has won a lot of cooking competitions. Maushi, do you want to say something? Tell which ones?
I'm Parlekar. I'm very proud of this. And in Parla, there is a big society, like international fame society, Lokmanya Seva Sangha. They have competition for Modak, and I got prize in that. 40 competent was there.
And you won first prize?
Yeah.
Wow, that's so amazing. Wow, look at these amazing modaks. Each and every one has turned out absolutely amazing. Maushi, thank you so much for this amazing
Okay.
recipe.
Thank you.
Some of these
Thank you
are,
for watching. All of you. Thank you very much.
some of these are 21 petals, some of them are 16, some of them are 14. This is modak over a modak. Look at the masterpiece. Amazing, right? So, do you want to, should we try one? Okay. Should I break one?
Yeah. Make
Really awesome. I don't have any other words to say. It's absolutely amazing. Do try this recipe. Here. I hope you do try this recipe at home and let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you so much, Maushi. These are absolutely amazing. And also don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next week with another amazing recipe. Until then, bye.
Bye.